Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to this lovely moment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Find a comfortable seated or lying position. Allow your eyes to gently close. Let the day melt away. As you settle in, begin notice your breath. No need to change it. Just observe. Inhale gently and exhale fully. With each breath, feel your body soften. Now, bring your attention to your thoughts. You might notice a stream of ideas, worries, or plans. This is okay. Our minds love to think, especially when we ask them to be still. Let each thought pass like a cloud in the sky. Observe them and let them go. Here's something important. Overthinking is a form of fear. It's our brain trying to control a future that hasn't happened yet. Remind yourself gently. I don't need all the answers right now. I don't need all the answers right now. You are safe in this moment. Now, bring your focus to your body. Notice any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your chest. Breathe into those places. Inhale, and as you exhale, let them relax. Now, place a soft hand on your heart. Feel its rhythm. That's your anchor. Let's add a small mantra. Repeat in your mind slowly. I let go of what I can't control. I return to the now. I'm enough. Let these words gently replace the noise in your head. Here's something from psychology. Studies show that mindfulness increases emotional resilience. That means the more you practice presence, the stronger your mind becomes. You are not escaping life. You are strengthening your ability to live it fully. Just breathe with me. Now, slowly return to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers. Take a gentle stretch. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this calm with you today. I'll see you soon. Goodbye, my dear friend.